Let's add a before and after image slider in Elementor. Hey, it's Ozzy here from thecallmehost.com, where I talk about the tools that I'm using to generate income online as a solopreneur. And in this channel, I share tutorials and all the great tools that I keep finding. So if this is useful to you in any way, please subscribe and I'll keep you posted. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up a before and after image slider in Elementor. Now you see these types of before and after image sliders in websites like dentist websites and weight loss websites. I've set up loads over the years for dentists, and I can tell you the images are never nice to look at, but nonetheless you can use these very effectively and they look really nice. So let's do this. Okay, so here we are on my test blog. Let's go to the dashboard. And first thing I'm going to do is search for a plugin called Before After Image Comparison Slider. It's a hell of a name, but there you go. So the plugin is this one. It's called Before After Image Comparison Slider for Elementor. So let's install that now and activate. Now I'm going to go to Pages and I'm going to create a new page. This one I'm going to call Slider. Okay, now let's edit with Elementor and let's add a section. Let's just restrict the content width to 800 and give it a little bit of padding there. Okay, so 180 and 180 just to make it look a little bit presentable. Now let's go to our elements and search for image, and in there you'll see the before after image comparison slider. So let's slide that in there, and quite predictably you need a before and an after image. So I'm going to select a before image. I'm going to upload one that I have ready, and in case you're wondering, that was just me buffooning around 2 minutes ago. So that's the first image, and now I'm going to select the second image, which not surprisingly is me again, still buffooning around. Okay, so you can see how this is going to work. Let me just take some of that padding off the top because it'll make it easier to see. Let's update this and let's take a look at the page. Okay, so you can see the before and after, and you can see how cool this actually is. And all I did there, by the way, is I took a picture of myself and I just added a black and white filter in my graphics editor. Now you'll notice that when you hover your cursor, you'll see a before and after labels. You can change those, but you need to buy the pro version for this. And all you do here is you click on the element and you go to before label. You can see that you can change the text color, the background of the text, and the actual text. But they're all pro features, and it's the same for the after label. That said, it's not too bad having the before and after. If you can live with it, then you can use this plugin for free, and that way you still get to use your before and after image slider. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and while you're here, please subscribe for more tutorials just like this. But in the meantime, take it easy, and I shall see you in the next video.